Well, student, today we'll discuss the second lesson from Vistas, The Tiger King. This lesson is written by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy Kalki. The story The Tiger King is a satire. Satire means the use of humor or irony in the story. Means to ridicule, expose or criticize someone's stupidity. It is to attack a bad ideology or bad behavior in a comical way. This story is based on fiction. Kalki write this story keeping in mind the period of those days when British used to rule India. And in India, different kingdoms were ruled by different Maharaja. So here, Maharaja, the Tiger King, ruled the kingdom of Pratibandhapuram. The main character of this story is the Tiger King. He is the main hero of this story. He is the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. The Maharaja is known by many names: Jamedar General, Kilender Major, Satya Bagara Samari, Vishwa Bhavana Samrat, Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur. All these names indicates his prideness and show that he is very great. Writer Kalki further tells us that he will complete the whole story for us. Even if the German aircraft Stuka bomber comes, he will not move from here without completing the story. He will keep telling us his story and continue the story till the end. When the Tiger King was born, an astrologer was called to predict about his future. An astrologer predicted that the king will become warrior of warriors, he will become hero of heroes, champion of champions. But he told later that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. The 10-day-old baby king started speaking. Everybody was surprised. Even the chief astrologer apnange spectacle or karun surprise alo. Baby ebashin uloid moon. And the baby king spoke like this. The 10-day-old baby king spoke like this: all those who are born will one day have to die. Zomunis Jekon Zolmota, ek dis Morocco zain. So we don't need your prediction. To get prediction some sense asun zain. So tell us the manner of that death. Tell us how I'm going to die. Magi chief astrologer rasta sarko tond potta, to sarko ogi, kita 10-day-old baby king intelligent question raise kelni. And therefore now the chief astrologer has to prove himself right. So in order to prove himself right, he gives an explanation saying that the king was born in the hour of the bull, and the bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore death comes from the tiger. So explanation teka diu pa potta. Kita teko ananya explanation na. Then na 10-day-old baby king, chief astrologer reply kutta. So yamun to get tiger am. Let tigers beware. Till here we are done with the part 1. Now we'll see about part 2 of the lesson. Crown Prince Jung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracle marked his childhood days. That was the only miracle when he spoke when he was just 10-day-old. As he grew, he drank the milk of an English cow. He was brought up and looked after by an English nanny. He was given lessons in English and English education by an Englishman. He also watched English movie. Just like at present time, our Indian ministers give their children English education, send them in foreign countries to take English education because they think giving them education in English is a superior thing. So it's just like that, earlier days, Maharajas or the prince were given English education because for them giving and treating everything in English was a superior thing. When the crown prince became 20 years old, he is given the kingdom of Pratibandhapuram, and then onwards he becomes the king of Pratibandhapuram, Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. Then he remembers the astrologer's prediction of getting killed by tiger. So he decides to kill a tiger. He remembers an old saying, you may even kill a cow in self-defense. एक व्यापारीचो ताका उगडास येता की जी गाय आसता हिंदुवांची एक सेक्रेड आसता, तर इन सेल्फ डिफेन्सान गाय मारल्यार कांयच ऑब्जेक्शन ना, तर सेल्फ डिफेन्सान टायगर किल केल्यार पासून कांयच ऑब्जेक्शन ना. उपरांत तो प्रतिबंधपुरम आपल्या किंगडमाच्या फॉरेस्टान वेता आनी एक टायगर शूट करता. तो खूब खुशाल जाता की आपणे टायगर किल केला म्हूण. Maharaja was thrilled beyond measures when he killed his first tiger. आणि स्टेट एस्ट्रोलॉजराक आपोवंक धाडटा आनी ताका दाखयता. ही शोज हिम द डेड बीस्ट. पळय आतां तूं सांगतालो न्ही that I will be killed by tiger. See now, I have killed the tiger. The dead beast lies in front of you. The king asked the astrologer, now what you have to say? I have killed the tiger. Then the astrologer replies the king saying that you may kill 99 tigers, but you must be very careful with the 100th tiger. The 100th tiger may claim your death. Then the king asked the astrologer, if the 100th tiger is also killed, then what? Then the astrologer replies saying that he will tear up all his book on astrology. सगळे book on astrology पिंजता आणि उजो घालून लासता आणि astrology सोडून दिता आणि एक insurance agent जाता. Till here our second part ends. Now in the third part, king bans tiger hunting by anyone. Only Maharaja could hunt a tiger. आणि कोणे तरी टायगर हंटिंग केलें आनी एक टायगराचेर फातर पासून मारलो जाल्यार ताचें वेल्थ आनी प्रॉपर्टी कॉन्फिस्केट करतलो, काडून घेतलो, सीज करतलो म्हूण किंगान प्रोक्लेम केलें. The king of Pratibandhapuram takes an oath, promise that he would attend all the matters of the kingdom only after he had killed 100 tigers. Till then, he determined and focused on tiger hunting to fulfill his dream, to make his dream of killing 100 tigers successful. The writer tells us another instance when king was about to lose his throne, his kingdom. एक high-ranking British officer Pratibandhapuram kingdom visit करता. He wanted to hunt tiger and get himself photographed with the dead tiger. But the Maharaja was firm with his decision and did not give the permission to the British official also. But British officer's secretary sent word to the Maharaja through the Diwan that the Durai himself did not have to kill the tiger. Diwan here means Maharaja's minister and Durai means British officer. So what was important to the Durai was a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the dead tiger. But Maharaja did not allow even that also. Because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, the Maharaja stood in danger of losing his kingdom, losing his throne, because that time India was under British rule. So to find the solution for this, the Maharaja discussed this issue with his Diwan, with his minister. The only way to save his throne was by impressing Durasini. Durasini is British officer's wife. Tika impress korpa Tiger King, famous British company of jewelry in Calcutta, tikochan different designaची expensive diamond ring धाडून सांगता. King आणि ताचो दिवान, that is his minister, Durasinik 50 diamond rings धाडटात. तातूंतली एक वो दोन चूज कर म्हूण. पूण ती कितें करता? Durasini ताका रिप्लाय दिता की थँक यू वेरी मच फॉर युअर गिफ्ट आनी सगळीं 50 डायमंड रिंग्स आपल्याकूच दवरता. आनी हे भाशेन तो आपलो ट्रोन, आपलो किंगडम सेव करता. पूण 2 दिसांनी कितें जाता? 2 दिसान मागीर उपरांत ताका टायगर किंगाक 3 लाख बील येता. ते तेंपार 3 लाख म्हणल्यार आतांचे 3 करोड जातले. इतल्यान तिसरो पार्ट सोंपता.